on the casino floor.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We do a lot of walkthrough videos, a lot of cool Vegas content. But right now we're heading down the escalator from the Luxor into Mandalay Bay. We're one of the first ones to live stream the opening of Mandalay Bay. And as you go down this escalator, you will notice it is spread out and it is massive. They have over 3,200 hotel rooms in Mandalay Bay. 135,000 square feet of gambling space. You can see up forward there's a lot of slot machines everywhere in this casino, and like I said, it is definitely spread out. To the left you're going to see the ticket redemption and ATM machines, also on the right side. And as I go to head to the casino floor, I notice on the ground there was a redemption ticket. So I'm like, let me check this out and see exactly how much it was. I go ahead and lean down, grab it. It is a whole 3 cents. I see all these tickets. I'm wondering what's going on. Due to COVID, they were not printing out any change out of some of these machines. I noticed there was a few casinos that were doing that. So everybody's just throwing their tickets on the ground. I guess they want you to gamble more. But let's go ahead and head down the casino floor. As you see to the left, there is a custodian lady cleaning down machines. They were doing that on a regular basis as soon as someone would leave. It was super bare. There was a couple straggler people walking around here and there. Like I said, it just opened up the first time in quite a while. So I don't know if some people didn't really realize that it was opening up. But we're going to head around and show you guys some of the casino floor. Like I said, there's a lot of slot machines in here. It's really spread out. I maintain my distance away from table games, and I wanted to go through the main areas of the casino. I really didn't want to go near table games or any high limit rooms or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take a stroll down. I'm going to show you guys the inside of this amazing casino. They have a lot of restaurants. On this trip we won't be showing any of the restaurants. You guys will see at the end the reason why. But to the left are all your table games. We're going to kind of avoid those, get the camera down so we're not filming any table games. I do respect all casinos and the rules of filming, although some are kind of sticklers about what they're doing and if they're going to shut you down or not. But let's see if this is going to be a problem here. So far so good. We're going along. People are wearing their masks as required by the governor. And like I mentioned before, it is massive in here. Me and my mom picked up a Fat Tuesday's drink. Mom's going to actually sit over here and take a little break. I'm going to take one last sip of the drink before... There's Mom right there. I told her go ahead and take a seat so we can go ahead and do this little walkthrough of Mandalay Bay Casino. A lot of awesome slot machines here. I took my last drink of the Fat Tuesday's drink before Mom ventured over to sit down. There was one guy with a chin mask right there, as you see. I know some casinos were really strict about wearing the mask at all times. There was even a time I took a drink and they were talking about, you better have the mask on, sir. I'm like, I just took a drink. But up forward is Bayside Buffet. Obviously is closed. There's a couple buffets open, like at the Wynn and a couple other places. I think Wicked Spoon at Cosmopolitan's open. Unfortunately, Bayside Buffet is a pretty good buffet. I've actually had it before. We're going to go ahead and head around some of these slot machines and everything like that. There's a employee right here on the right side, has his badge and everything like that. Did not mention anything about not filming. Figured we were golden. Up to the right, you're going to see a little area too. I think it's the high limit room coming up to the right. We're going to veer clear of that. We're actually heading towards the middle by the slot machines and whatnot. And we're going to keep going. Here's some more employees coming up. Security and regular employees not saying a word about filming. They really didn't care. On the right, you're going to see the noodle shop. Never had it. Would love to try it one day. And then you got Sea Breeze Cafe coming up also on the right hand side. There's a couple charging ports, an ATM machine, and then your player's card redemption code machine to the right there. Most everybody in these casinos were wearing their mask as mandated by the governor. Some weren't, but I know a lot of casinos were shutting that down. So we're going to go ahead and head on the main casino floor. Someone just won on the right side. Or he thought he won, but I guess he didn't win. We're going to keep heading this way. There's an ATM and ticket redemption machine on the right hand side. More slot machines on this side. As you guys can tell, it is so spread out at Mandalay Bay. There's the check-in desk to the right side for the hotel room. You see sanitizer stations also by the checkout desk and check-in desk. More slot machines. Wheel of Fortune, another ticket redemption machine on the left. And on the right, you're going to see the high-limit slot room. We're going to stand clear of that. There's actually a tattoo shop, if you can see it far to the right. The Starlight Tattoo Shop. And then coming up here, guys, we're going to have the problem with security. Like I said, we passed a lot of staff. You will notice that some places they will get kind of mad. But thank you guys for watching the video. This is going to be the end of it. You're going to see this part right here. Oh, I thought you can go around the exterior as long as you hook them. Luxor let me...
hold on.
Excalibur?
No machines, not manually based.
Okay.
Sorry.
Alright. Sorry, guys. We'll let you go.